Hello, my incredible friends and amazing souls. As we step into the vibrant energy of 2025, let's welcome the new year with open hearts and mind. Your mind shapes your reality. So, this year, do not just set resolutions, set a revolution in your giant mindset. 2025 is not just another year, it's your year. This year, you rewrite the script of your life. Consider a year 2025 is a blank canvas. Use your mind as a brush. 2025 is coming to you with opportunity to grow, thrive, and shine. 2025 is your chance to rise higher than ever before. Let's make it extraordinary. 2025 is calling you to rise not just personally but professionally. Remember, mind rule everything is created twice, first in your mind, then in reality. Just like an architect designs before building, you can design your future in your mind. This year, unleash your limitless potential by aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Before we discuss quickly all details in 3 to 4 minutes, kindly don't mind to take a moment, pause to reflect by asking yourself three powerful questions. Question number one: what were my biggest achievements in 2024? Question number two: where did I face challenges and what did I learn? And very significantly, ask question number three: did I grow mentally, emotionally, and professionally? Because reflection is the foundation for transformation. Your past holds the blueprint for future. Use it to plan your 2025, the best year ever. Hey guys, be with me till the end to know how to grow 10x in 2025. In 2025, let's imbibe the TEA, that is T formula, in your mind. T stands for thoughts. Declutter your mind and set a clear vision with goals to achieve in every area of your life in 2025. Shift from a doubtful mind with a thought like what if to what next, and prepare your mind for all possibilities. Second element of T formula is E. E for emotions. Reprogram your beliefs. Replace your all disempowering and limiting beliefs like I'm not good enough with I am capable of achieving anything and everything. Also navigate your mind from common myth or those limiting beliefs for money like money doesn't grow on trees. Navigate this limiting belief to there are abundant opportunities to create wealth and I am capable of generating it. Visualize your success every day and celebrate small wins to build the momentum. Third element is A. A stands for action. Let 2025 is the year of action, action, and action. Here are some steps to take most powerful actions like gratitude every day. Start and end your day with gratitude for what you have in your life so far. It shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance and attracts miracle. Revisit your goals to check your progress and realign all your action again and again. Detach from perfection as perfection often leads to procrastination. It's my personal experience. So better focus on progress, not on perfection. Invest in your growth. So prioritize learning and skills that align with your goals. And then comes to practice mindfulness. Don't allow your mind to get lost in the future or stuck in the past. Stay in present moments which are aligned with your 2025 goals. And very importantly, in 2025, channelize your energy. Cut out distractions like social media, toxic people, and negativity. Focus on what truly matters And remember, wherever your focus goes, your energy flows, your growth flows. So, before I wish you a happy new year, let's affirm together a few sentences like I reflect with gratitude, I plan with purpose, and I act with passion. This year, I create success, peace, and fulfillment. I am in charge of my thoughts, my actions, and my destiny. I choose growth, peace, and success. Hey, folks, and my lovely community of subscribers and even non subscribers, wishing you highly productive, healthy, wealthy, joyful, blissful, and fulfilled 2025. Love you all.